Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Here's another simple recipe for summer. In summer we like to eat light meals. So this is a side dish. It can go with rotis. We are going to make Besani Shimla Mirch. That is capsicums made with roasted gram flour and some spices. Capsicums also are known as bell peppers in some countries. So these are green bell peppers. We'll cut them into small pieces and just toss them, stir fry them with roasted gram and some spices. It's a simple side dish. So let's get started to make it. We have taken 3 capsicums or bell peppers, wash them well and wipe them dry. 1 onion chopped finely, 2.5 tablespoons of gram flour. I've taken half because 1 capsicum is small, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. Here we have half teaspoon of crushed fennel seeds, quarter teaspoon of amchur, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, quarter teaspoon red chilli powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, and salt to taste. Now cut the capsicums or bell peppers into small pieces. This is one of those quick recipes, easy to make, and it's really very delicious, goes well with rotis as a side dish. Now this is done. Let's start the cooking process. First, dry roast the besan or gram flour. We are not using any oil to do this, just roast it on medium flame. You could even roast some gram flour and store it in a bottle for day-to-day use. Makes it easier, because we use this in many other dishes also, like sometimes in tikkas and to thicken the gravies. Once it gives out aroma, it's done. Then you can remove it and set it aside. You can strain it if you want to avoid the lumps. Now in a pan, heat the mustard oil. Bring it to a smoking point, heat it very well, and then reduce the flame. You can see tiny bubble formation. Now you can add the crushed fennel seeds. Saute them a bit and dip in the onions. Stir fry the onions until they are translucent. Now the onions are done. We can add the capsicum or bell pepper pieces now. Stir fry them. Cover and simmer. After about half a minute or so, open the lid, and after giving a stir, we can add the salt and spice powders. Now the spice powders are gone in. Give a nice stir so that everything is mixed very well. Cover again and simmer it. Intermittently open the lid and keep stirring them. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, not too much. The capsicum should have a crunchy texture. They should not be overcooked. Time to time, open the lid and give a stir. so that they don't get stuck to the bottom. Now you can add the besan. I've added 2.5 tablespoons of besan. Stir it nicely so that all the pieces are coated well. Check for the salt. You can add at this stage if you feel it is less. Cover again and simmer on low flame. Time to time you have to keep stirring this. It is done. The sabzi is ready. Dish it out and enjoy it with rotis or puris as a side dish. It looks so tempting, isn't it? I've garnished the platter with capsicum leaves. You can check out the link in the I button how to make them. So friends, do give it a try. If you are enjoying my recipes, do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notification whenever I upload a new video. Here are some more videos from the archives. You can check them out. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Bye until then.